Hey YouTube, how you doing today? You got Country Ham Farms again. I was going to show you this Exmark 36-inch turf tracer. As you know, the Kawasaki FS481B comes with manual start. What I have done is turned it into an electric start. Cold mornings, it don't like to start via the hand. But what I have done is I did replace the flywheel. Up under here, I had an old FR600B Kawasaki. Flywheel was an exact match. I took it and the starter off, and I went and bought my own solenoid, regular 3-post down there. You 2 main and you wanted to tilt the top. I did took the rectifier from that other engine. And what I've done here is, I added a battery. Sorry, it's my charging port in case I ever needed it. It's all between the hydro pumps. Push button electric start right here. And this is your, trying to think of the correct term for it. It just helps isolate the battery. Because the only wire that I cut into was the wire going into the wiring harness for my electrical. So I could run my Meyer meter would work. But this one from the factory, right here, the wire I'm touching down here, that is your main PTO for your electric PTO. It runs directly off of it. It doesn't run from the battery. Of course, that's your keel. And I take that back. I just blasted into. Splashed into that to pull some power back to the rectifier down here on the bottom. And after that, I'm running 2 wires, goes to the kill switch up here. My isolator, that's what I was looking for earlier. And that'll keep the air meter from operating when this wire is connected. And it also, you got to make sure it's on so you're back charging your battery. It took a little bit of time, but that's the only things I've done to get into my wiring system. I learned the hard way. Technically, this mower has 35 hours, and it's showing 60.6 hours. That's why I had to put an isolator in it. It's a great mower. And it does have the factory mulching kit on it, as well as the factory sulky. I run it full time now. I'm down in near the Birmingham, Alabama area. I service that market. No longer outside of Fort Payne, Alabama, or Trenton, Georgia. And I'm going to keep contracts here as I'm looking to expand into the Gatlinburg market starting 2024. But I just figured everybody might like to see that it's a pretty simple task. You can keep your same magneto set on it. You just got to replace, like I said, the flywheel. You got to have a tooth flywheel. It does have a spot for your electric start to plug in. You just got to remove the bottom plate off of it. And everything else, my whole starting system is mainly separated except for the 2 wires the 1 wire I cut into to bring power back to the rectifier to charge the battery. And it also keeps your air meter from adding up hours while your engine is off. It works out great for me. You can hear it run here. Show you how I do it. On. Now she's running just like a champ. Simple and easy. And to turn it off, you always want to kill this switch first, your isolator. And it works out great. Thank you for watching, and subscribe. I'll have another video coming out very shortly about a DeWalt 33-inch walk behind more. Bye-bye.